Hi, I'm Prisma with Marzano Resources. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce the Self-Care for Educators workshop. As educators, the work you do every day is deeply rewarding and meaningful, but it can also at times be difficult, frustrating, and overwhelming. How do you thrive as both a human and an educator and successfully avoid exhaustion or even burnout? During this two-day workshop, education expert and self-care guru Tina H. Boogren will share research-affirmed tips and tools for reinvigorating your passion for education while achieving and maintaining a state of positive well-being. Using a proven framework for educator wellness, Dr. Boogren will guide you along a clear path to well-being that will leave you feeling inspired and empowered. We'll explore Maslow's hierarchy of needs and gain concrete, manageable strategies and recommendations for each level of the hierarchy that can be implemented immediately in your daily life. It has never been more crucial to establish healthy habits and routines that allow you to bring your best self to your students and your colleagues. Whether you're a teacher, coach, wellness committee member, school leader, or district administrator, we invite you to take this opportunity to establish your wellness needs and develop a personalized self-care plan that works. To register or learn more about the Self-Care for Educators workshop, visit marzanoresources.com. Thank you.